Alright, this giveaway is for the JJRC tracker, the H55, and what you'll get is the drone itself and one battery, controller, the battery charger, whatever battery I have left on the AA's in there, and the manuals in the box, of course. So all you got to do is be a subscriber or subscribe to my channel and watch the video that I put in the link below that shows the review that I did for this, and leave a comment telling me that you watched the video and tell me what you like about the quad, what you don't like about the quad, because I'm really here to get feedback on what you think about this. Alright, so I'm going to be giving away 2 more after this, so subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know when the other ones are coming up. And good luck to you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.